Hi there, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to take a quick walk through a 2023 Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard. First thing you notice is we optioned this one with the twin Mercury 300 Verados. We did option for the white because it matches the hull. It is a Horizon hull. We have the stone interior, gray sea deck, and it flows very, very well. Let's step on board and see what she offers. So now we're on the transom of the boat, and the first thing you're going to notice is with outboards, a lot of people get nervous about spacing to be able to walk. You have a very large walkway all the way across from port to starboard, so easily to get across depending on what side you're docked on. The aft cushion here, you're going to see it is a very large cushion, 2-3 people, and it does have these elevating backrests. If you're anchored out or if you're at the island and you want to be able to hang back here, cup holders, stereo, everything you really need to have fun on the water. So now we're going to be in the cockpit of the boat, and the first thing you're going to notice is this one is optioned with the opening sunroof hardtop as well as the integrated sunshade, which does extend all the way aft over the back swing platform. Very large U-shaped seating here. We optioned this one with the beautiful teak table. On the summer kitchen, what we're going to see here is we did option for the grill, the wet bar sink, as well as the refrigerator and trash storage below. We have another seat starboard here, and a really neat option is the port side seat here does flip around. It is a double wide, so if you're entertaining, if you're catching a sunset, you can have one big seating area here for everybody to enjoy. We do have the party mode going on the RGB lighting, so you can have a singular color or you can have it just rocking and rolling all the colors that you want. It does match with the underwater lights as well. It can be numerous colors. You can have it sync to the music. Technology has gone pretty crazy now. Really, really nice appointed helm here. You're going to notice this one has the twin Simrad screens, fully integrated controls here. I'd like to call it a smart boat. Fusion stereo, of course, spotlight controls, auto tabs, and also the joystick docking on this one, which makes it very easy to handle around any marina or any close quarter maneuverability. Beautifully well appointed head here. It is a vacuum flush head, a lot of spacing, and of course there is an overboard discharge. What's really nice about this boat is you have a very large bow seating here, very wide seats here, armrests. We can get a filler cushion for this section if you wanted it, just one very, very large sun pad. And again, windlass, spotlight, and just beautiful layout here. Notice the diamond stitching on the Sea Rays. They do a great job on the 31. Come on down, check it out firsthand. Patrick Rourke, 813-909-5064. Talk to you soon.